Hi, today we will learn Indonesian language or Bahasa Indonesia about these words. Let's start it. Top, under, above, below. In Indonesian language or Bahasa Indonesia, we don't have different words for top and above. We use same word, which is atas for top and for above. Atas, atas. For under and below, we use bawah, bawah. So no matter touching each other or not, we use same word, atas, atas, or bawah, bawah. Sometimes you need the di word. Di can be in, can be on, can be at, can be many other meanings. We already learned about it in the previous video. So this di can appear, can be skipped. This di can be appear here, can be skipped too. Yeah. Atas, atas, bawah, bawah. Di atas, di bawah. And if it's needed, you can also use di here and di here. But most of the times, if touching each other like this, we use the di. If it's not touching each other, we don't use the di. But there's also possibility when we use di. House, upstairs, lantai atas. Lantai is floor, atas, top or above. Two words, lantai, floor, atas, top or above. Downstairs, lantai bawah. Lantai floor, bawah, under or below. You will find this lantai being shortened into L and T and then dot. It's shortened version for lantai or floor. But me myself, in formal occasion, I use the complete word lantai instead of making in short like LT and then dot atas or LT dot bawah. Yeah. Sometimes you will find this LT or LT. In Indonesia is LT, and then don't forget the dot for like floor plan or section elevation in architectural drawing. Sometimes we make it shorter into LT. Or you will find in some other case too, the lantai becomes LT. But formal way to say or to write with lantai. Of course, you don't say LT atas, LT bawah. You don't pronounce it. Even though it's written LT, you will just say it as lantai or floor. In front is depan. In front or in front of, but in Indonesian language or Bahasa Indonesia we don't use the of. We just say di depan. Di, again similar with this one, can be in, on, at, or many others. Di and then space depan, front. Behind di space belakang, back. So behind is at back. Di belakang. Belakang is back. But when you have to say behind, you say di space. You don't say the space, of course. But when you write it, you put space here. Belakang. Behind. Di belakang. Next to or beside can be sebelah, sebelah, or samping, samping. Of course, sometimes it's needed to use the di. Sometimes we can skip the di. Don't forget the space. Di sebelah or di samping. Beside or next to. Beside or next to, beside or next to. In between, di antara. Antara is between. So in this case, this di it means in. And forget space. Di antara, in between. Alley, gang, gang. Hallway, lorong, lorong. Across, seberang, seberang. Sometimes we use di. Sometimes we can skip di. Don't forget the space. Yeah, so di can be in, at, on, many other things. We use di. But seberang itself, of course, di seberang also it means across. Seberang also across. Police, polisi. Police office, kantor, space here, polisi. So the office first and then the police. Even though we want to say police office, but in Indonesian you say the office first and then you say the police. Kantor polisi. And fine, denda, denda. Here, even though I don't draw it, sidewalk, trotoar, trotoar. Road, road or avenue or street or lane, all of them we say it as jalan. So this, in Indonesia, you just say jalan, jalan, for most of everything. For avenue, for road, for way, for street, for lane. You say it for street, you say it all with jalan, jalan. And for highway, we don't have, at least as far as I know, we don't have free highway. We always have to pay for the highway, always have to pay. That's why our or Indonesian highway, it's always jalan tol. Don't forget the space here. Jalan tol. Because we always have to pay for it. So even though it's hallway highway, we always say it as jalan tol because we don't have highway that is free. We have to pay for the highway. That's why we always say it as jalan tol. Sorry for keep repeating about it. And sometimes if we want to be more specific, of course we can say main road, jalan utama. Utama is main, jalan utama, main road. Or we can also say big road, besar, big, jalan besar. So the road first and then big. Road big, big road, jalan besar. For small road or street or lane, you say jalan kecil. Kecil is small. Jalan is road. Even though this is street or lane, we use the jalan. Jalan kecil, small, this is road. Don't forget space here. Yeah. But for everything, we don't have like the name of the road is like road or street or avenue. We just use jalan for all of them. For avenue, for road, for street, for lane, we use jalan. All of it. And now, direction, arah. Direction, arah. If more than one or plural, if we want to say directions as directions, to make it into plural, we just repeat the word and then don't forget the stripe. Arah, arah. Directions, more than one or plural. Directions, because this is direction. But when you have to say it with number in front of, in this case, for example, dua, two, we don't say it as dua arah arah, but we say it as dua arah. If there's number in front of, we use the singular version. If we don't put the number, we use the plural version, which is repeating the word. Direction, directions, to direction. Even though in English, two directions, but in Indonesia, direction. Because you already put the number here. Even though it's one, of course, if 1, 2, 3, 100, you write arah. Instead of arah-arah, you write it arah if you have number here. Dua is 2. Dua arah. 2 directions, but in this case, direction. And this works for all noun. You can change with chicken, you can change with house, you can change with car. It's same. The system and the rule is same. Yeah. We'll move a bit. And straight ahead is lurus. Lurus. But sometimes you will hear people add next word, terus. Lurus itself, it means straight, and it can also mean straight ahead, lurus. When you say lurus, it's straight, or it can be also straight ahead, but sometimes people, to make it strong, to strengthen, they say it with lurus terus, keep straight. So this terus, it means keep. Even though lurus, it's already straight ahead. Terus is keep. Lurus, terus. But when you have lurus, it's already formal, good enough to say straight ahead. U-turn, putar balik. 2 words, we have space. Putar is spin, balik is reverse. So when we have to say U-turn in Indonesian language or bahasa Indonesia, you say it with spin, reverse. Putar balik. Putar balik. Spin, reverse. Turn left, turn belok, left kiri. Turn right, belok kanan, right. Left, kiri, right, kanan. Traffic, lalu lintas. 2 words, lalu lintas. Traffic. Traffic jam can be macet, the E is E, or can be macet, the E is A. It's different area. I'm from West Java. I say it as macet, macet with the A, but in other area you will hear also macet, macet, and can be also macet, macet. I'm Sundanese, so from West Java. Yeah, sometimes we say macet, sometimes I'm more into macet, macet. Traffic jam. Parking, parkir. Parking ticket, ticket, and then space, parkir. So the ticket first and then the parking. Tiket, parkir. Traffic light can be 2. Lampu, light, merah, red, red light. Even though we have other colors, but we say it as red light. Lampu, merah. The light first and then the merah. Red. Lampu merah. Light red. Lampu is from Dutch. Lampje. Lamp is light. To make it small, you put small je, lampje, lampje, small light. But in Indonesia, it becomes lampu. From lampje, it becomes lampu. Even though it's not small, but in Indonesia, for all of the light, it's lampu. Or we can also say traffic light. Of course, we put the lampu first, lamp, light, lampu, and then the traffic, lalu lintas. It becomes 3 words. Lampu, lalu lintas. Traffic light. Thank you.